I was sent Beam Greens and I actually want to try it 3 different ways. So here we go. In this glass, I have kombucha. We have kombucha on tap at our house. This is just straight up water, and this is a protein smoothie that I'm making. So here's our greens. It comes with a little scoop, and you should add 1 scoop to a full glass of water. But I'm just gonna do like 1/3 of each. So let's see if that's about 1/3. Maybe not quite the right percentages, but we'll see as I do a taste test. Okay, so then I have my little mixer. This I'm gonna put on a blender. The water I'm gonna mix up. The kombucha I'm gonna mix up. All right, now let's taste test. Start with water. Super pleasant. It's like a really nice kind of kiwi strawberry flavor. Easy to drink, which is great. Time for some kombucha. Okay, it's good. I think the flavor we have on tap is a ginger flavor, so it's a little different with the taste, but not bad. Still good. Now let's get the smoothie blended. Smoothie taste test. That's good. I love throwing anything green into my smoothie because you really don't taste it. Second runner-up, I'd go water. And then third, I'd go with the kombucha. But either way you put it in your drinks, I think you're gonna like it and you're gonna love the benefits as well.